everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best. Today we are diving into a product that could seriously change the way you cook. If you are in need of an extra burner or just want a reliable and portable cooktop for your kitchen, I have got something for you. Introducing the Elite Gourmet Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner. First off, let's talk about what makes the Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF special. This is a double burner, meaning you get two separate cooking zones so you can cook multiple dishes at the same time. It's a great option if you have a small kitchen, need an extra burner, or just looking for something to take you on the go, like for camping or outdoor cooking. It has these powerful cast iron burners, which means even that distribution and they get hot quickly. The cast iron ensures that heat retention is excellent, and that's a game changer when it comes to cooking. Whether you are boiling water, simmering sauces, or searing a steak, this burner can handle it. Now let's get into the features. The EDB 302BF is equipped with adjustable temperature controls on both burners. This allows you to fine tune the heat to your liking, which is great for recipes that requires precise heat levels. The burner go up to 1500 watts, so they heat up fast, which is perfect if you are in hurry. And it's compatible with all types of cookware, whether it's stainless steel, aluminum, or even cast iron. So no matter what you have in your kitchen, you are good to go. One of the things I love most about this burner is its portability. It's compact and lightweight, making it super easy to move around or store away when you don't need it. And even though it's small, the design is sleek with a simple black finish that blends well in any kitchen. It's really ideal for people with limited counter space or anyone who needs a portable solution for cooking while traveling or hosting guests. Now let's talk about how easy this thing is to use. The dials are simple and intuitive, so you don't have to deal with complicated settings or timers. Just turn on the knobs and you are ready to go. And when it comes to cleaning, the cast iron burner are pretty low maintenance. You just wipe them down after use and they stay in great condition. And the non-slip feet make sure the burner stays in place while you are cooking. So there is no chance of it sliding around on your countertop. All in all, the Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF countertop double cast iron burner is a solid and reliable addition to your kitchen or travel setup. It's easy to use, heats up fast, and is built to last. Whether you need extra cooking space or want something portable, this is definitely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time.